Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn poppies in watercolor. It's easy and simple even for beginners. I'm using 300-gram cold press paper. The materials I use here, I will put the links in the description below. I'm wetting the whole paper with clean water with the bigger brush, and when it's wet, I'm using blue for the skies. It's wet and wet I'm using. Make sure you keep your colors ready beforehand because the paper will get dry fast. Now it is still damp, we'll put the yellow. Today I didn't sketch anything, but if you are not comfortable, you can do the little sketch and then start your painting. For poppies, if you want to skip the backgrounds, that is also okay, but if you want to keep the background, consider a light wash of blue or light yellow to contrast with the red poppies. Keep the background subtle to ensure the focus remains on the flowers. To add the little drama, I'm lifting off some of the color with the clean kitchen towel. Now when it's still damp, I'm just dropping the red color. It's cadmium red from Winsor and Newton. I'm just dropping in random here and there, little bit, not intentionally putting four petals, but if you want, you can. Since it's wet, you're getting nice blooms there. Pigment is spreading out in spots, and you put as many as you want. If you want some more darker values, you can put some more. Now let this dry completely and then we'll do next level. I spray some water onto the first wash. Now with some green and with my smaller brush, I'm just dropping green color for stems and some leaves. Again, I'm just putting some random stains and leaves here and there. I'm using light green and dark green mix for the stem and petals, sorry, leaves. Again, with darker values, I'm putting more stems and leaves there. As the paper gets dry, the wash before it gets little light. So you keep on adding layers to give the darker tones. I'm putting some pots and some darker leaves with darker tones of green mix. I'm creating pot. I put little darker value. Pots are little lighter value. You can leave the color with kitchen paper. Repeat the process of putting stems and leaves with darker values till you get satisfied with the whole picture. In first wash I put the cadmium red, but after it dried it gets kind of pink, so I'm putting one more glazing with red. And it's okay if the paper is still wet and color gets blend in, that's okay. With shadows you get some darker values also, so you are getting some darker poppies, that's okay, that will give you natural look. I'm just giving random edges to the petal, just using a brush technique here. See, those lovely poppies are coming out so beautifully. Now the whole picture is getting kind of together. Now we'll do some more poppies on top there. We still have our yellow shining through. While still it's wet, you can add some more poppies in the horizon line. I'm just using cadmium red and some lighter tone. Adding some darker value there. Some more poppies. Since we didn't use any reference photos, so I'm just creating it with the imagination. Putting centers black, not black, but it's a mix of burnt sienna and cerulean blue. Some more stems with the darker values and some light pots we will put there. We are almost done with the painting. I'll just add some more parts. You can add more red or some orangey mix in the background just to balance out the whole picture. As is the whole picture, and if you want you can add some more stems and leaves here and there to look to give it a cohesive look. Hope you like this painting tutorial and you will also try. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more updates. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Happy painting. Bye for now.